So this is addressing a problem out of the textbook, and you were given the information that there's a 75% chance that somebody would have a landline, and so therefore you know there's a 25% chance that they will not have a landline. So I'm calling that S for silent. So here we have these numbers representing the first person, second, third, fourth, and fifth person that we call. And the first part of the question asks, what's the probability of getting this result where we have 5 landlines in a row? Well, it turns out that those people are all independent of each other, and so what we get is there's a 0.75 chance that person 1 has it, 0.75 person 2 has it, 0.75 person 3 has it, all the way to 5. So we get 0.75 to the 5th power. Part B asks, what is the probability that at least one of the households chosen for your survey does not have a landline? Well, let's see what that looks like. You could either have an instance where one of the homes does not have a landline. It's all of these people right here. These are all the possible combinations. Either the first person, second person, third, fourth, or fifth does not have a landline. Or you could have 2 people, so it could be the first 2, the next 2, these 2, it could be any 2 in the middle. There's a bunch of other combinations here. Then we have the combinations of 3 people without a landline. Now there are more than these right here. Then we have the different combinations of 4 people without a landline. And finally you have everybody that you pick does not have a landline. Hopefully what you will notice is that all of these people with at least one household without a landline is the complement to this stuff that we just found. So you can just take 1 minus this probability and get your answer for part B. For part C, you can combine what you knew about part A. For part C, you can take the same intuition and just reverse it. Part C wants to know what's the probability that at least one of the households has a landline. So that would be any of these households. The only thing that is not allowed there is the people where none of the households have a landline. So it's much easier to find the probability of this grouping than to add all of these up. But you'll notice that these are complements. So right here, we can find the probability of that is 0.25 to the 5th power. That gives you this probability here. So if we take 1 minus that, 1 minus 0.25 to the 5th, gives us the probability of the green area. Thanks for watching.